Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about hotfix or hot sold form of Glip. You will go to settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you search about Glip and you will click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Glip app as you see and you will click here. If you find updates, then you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.